As you can see, I already removed the passenger side. So last time I kind of made a better C4 overall. We did the windshield wiper, which is not working, stopped working, but I know what it is. It's the switch. It's not the motor that we replaced. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll attack and I'll get to work, because we are going to work on the interior. Today I'm gonna put everything apart. As you can see, I have my gloves on. I was debating what I should do as far as the interior goes. I was like, I'll keep the front section of the carpet, and then I would just replace the back section, because the back is like fading. It is not, detailing is not gonna do anything. Let me show you. Here, you see this part of the carpet, it's gone. Like, there's nothing I can do about this besides just replacing. So I started pulling everything off here just so I could have an idea what I'm dealing with. This thing is gone. I have a pretty good idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order a new carpet, but the seats are already here. But I think before we go that far to put the new seats in, we need to remove everything. You guys gonna see I'm getting water on that side. I don't know where the water is coming from. That's another challenge, which no idea how I'm gonna fix this, how I'm gonna find this leak. But let's get to work. I'm gonna remove the driver's seat because I already did the passenger. Let's see the condition on the carpet below. I'll show the passenger side here in a little bit. It's not great, so we have to do something about that. That's why I'm gonna order the entire carpet. But let's get to work. Let's get this done. So first thing we need to do is not hitting my C6. That would be great. The way the C4 seat works is pretty fun. So my guitar picks here because I was sitting here. So it's very valuable. If you play guitar, you know what I'm saying. Well, you can do. Anyway, so the cushion comes apart, and then you remove the seat, and then there's the bracket. Battery. You never know what you're gonna find underneath a seat, right? Oh, there's a phone here. I didn't see it. Look at that. That's the kind of thing you find on these cars. For some reason though, this car is getting water. Look at how nasty this is. Always have pennies. The seats work though. That's how it works. But listen to the other side. Yeah, the other side's pretty bad. So I'm gonna remove. There are two. This is actually look. This is not even a bolt. It's like a clamp-ish. So I have room for. There's something leaving here, which that's nasty, dude. I should wear a mask. Not sure if I should wear a mask, but this is the lug nut tool, so you can remove this and just remove your lug nuts with it. So it's crazy because by the time you get here, how long it's gonna take you to remove the seats? Look. I think I have to replace everything. It's pretty bad though, pretty bad. There's no way I'm gonna ride in a car like this, right? But the seats are gone. We're gonna put a different seat. Look at that. Look how bad is this seat. I'm still gonna be able to make some money on it because the C4 seats are pretty rare, so people can still finish in a different way. I just don't like the way they look. Just no one is spending their money on it. I already bought something new for it, and I'm pretty excited about. my god, this is heavy. The reason why I'm wearing a mask, it's because I'm quite sure the black stuff, it's black mold. Yeah, that's the reason why I cannot keep this carpet. And I think that black mold comes because it's getting water inside of the cab. Because before I put the car here, I kind of wash just to take the pollen out. And when I was doing the engine bay work, you know, got like a bunch of stuff on top of it. So I was like, you know, let me put outside and clean. When I open it up, here was full of water. Actually was there, which I need to investigate where that water comes from before we put in the new carpet, right? But what I want to do now, I want to get rid of it, remove the entire carpet, give a nice cleanup. Meanwhile, I wait for the new carpet and then we go from there, right? I think now what I need to remove is the top here, because everything here has to come out. Not come out, but I'm gonna replace the head unit too, so might as well just get rid of everything. I just start pulling the carpet and look at that. Can you see? That's water. Look at that. Look at that. There's so much water in here. Now, where's this water coming from? This is so freaking gross. I have $5,000 car. Garbage. All garbage. I think a couple of things we need to figure out here, right? First, where the leak's coming from. Where all this water is coming from. But to be honest, this water is not like just got in here. This has been for a while. And on the driver's seat, it's not as bad, but you also have. So what I'm gonna look at it, I'm gonna look at this. I don't know what is this, like maybe it's not sealed properly. I'm gonna look underneath. But before I do anything, I'll clean this up, because there's no way I'm gonna be laying down here, you know, put some product, let's see for a couple of days, and we go from there. I think it's the best solution. It's pretty dark outside, but I think I can show you 2 bags of garbage carpet. This is just the fronts, the backs are on the back, because I'm gonna use the back as a molding for this one here, right? And for this, but this one's garbage, probably like black mold on it. It's crazy. And all the trim piece, I don't know if I'm gonna replace. One thing though, this seems to be a carpet that was put it on, because the glue, it's kind of, you know what I'm saying? I get it. To do this with a car, not everybody wants to do. Now you're gonna ask me, was that worth buying the car? Well, to be honest, it's worse than I thought. But what can you do, right? Like, it is what it is, like when you face a project. But the good thing is, when I'm done, this car, it's gonna be something else though. I already ordered the carpet. It's gonna bring new carpet. Since I'm there, I'm gonna do the head unit, new sound system, which this car doesn't have the amplifier, which make everything easier. I don't want like a subwoofer like my C6 has. This just, you know, if I can just replace, make sure that the speakers are working. And then I had the unit that can handle Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth, right? For the seats, I'm not going back with the seats. Do you know if I can just ignore this, just remove it, maybe do a plate? If anybody here, you know, does 3D printing and can print me like as, you know, a blank thing here for this and this, maybe I'll just leave the wires there for just so the car doesn't throw any codes or anything. But let me know what you think. I think if I can just, you know, remove this and yeah, get rid of it, right? Let me know what do you think of the challenge we have here. Let me know if you have any thoughts where the leak's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm not sure if it's from the floor, from the weather strip. And let me know if you agree that the water is not here. Just, you know, here's the thing. When I got the car was sitting outside because the C6 was apart. I was doing exactly the same thing with the C6. So did it rain for a couple of days, but I don't know, to get that much water though. And the other day I washed the car, as I said, and got water again. I'm wondering is the weather strip. So let me know. I count on you to help me on this one. And as always, thanks so much for watching. The series is about to get crazy because when we're done, this car is gonna be worth way more than I pay for. Not that I'm gonna sell, but I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of it. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.